Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Jay here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Thai questions. The question for this lesson is, how do I make a request or give a command in Thai? There are various words to choose from when we want to request or command something in Thai. In both request and command sentences, however, the subject you is usually left out. I'll explain more in a few seconds. For now, let's go ahead and begin. Let's start by making a command in Thai. To form a command sentence, you can use the word จง in front of the sentence. The subject, you, is not used when forming this type of sentence, and จง is mostly used in writing. Let's look at an example. จงเติมคำ fill in the blanks. This would most likely be a written command. When giving a command, there are other words which gives some urgency to the command. Let's go over some. ต้อง must or need, or ห้าม do not or to forbid. One thing different about the usage of ต้อง is that it can be used with a subject noun. For example, เธอต้องไปโรงเรียน You must go to school. ห้าม on the other hand, must be used without a subject noun and when you forbid actions. For example, ห้ามผ่าน do not pass. A more formal way of requesting something is to use the word Garuna. This is like saying please in English. You need to leave out the subject noun when using this word. For example, กรุณาถอดรองเท้า Please take your shoes off. Here's a tip to make your sentences more polite. Remember that you can always add ครับ or ค่ะ at the end of your request or command sentence. For example, กรุณารอสักครู่ค่ะ Please wait a moment. Pretty interesting, right? If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ